by your own.
Hindi mo tagaan. Saan na lang ka dong. Kayo di ka tagarag dong.
Isa daw? Sira, sira.
I'm going to make milk out of your milk, okay? Are you okay with that?
Sure.
Okay.
Kana siya, mahapag man siya, pero kantos dilan. Baka,
May paniyak ko na.
gas. Baka ayaw.
Ganda ka na simbahan, no?
Gusto ko na simbahan.
Dong, magparing siguro ka dong.
Hindi ko, kakong nanis ka.
Okay,
Para sa bata ba?
wala. Wala ko'y bata.
Wala di ay.
Dagko naman na. Namay gagmay, pero mo pa sa itong gagmate nga nagkatay, dagko nung nadira.
Murag mo makita ka na akong pater.
I will eat you.
Ha?
Hindi ako. Hindi ba?
Masya mo TV ma, munga nga man siya dayon.
Tago ni session.
Na.
Uy, kaing na ngo.
Why?
Because you don't like to share your milk, so I'm going to away baby Rayo.
But he's your child.
So,
Make milk.
make milk. I don't want me to away baby Rayo.
Yeah, because he's your child.
You're not my child, so I want to away you. What?
Nah, I'm the child of mommy. Say it. I'm the child of...
Of what? Yay! But you don't like mommy's face. Who do you like? Whose face? Is it
Whose face is this?
Whose face is that?
My face.
My face. Who looks like Ethan? Mommy and daddy.
Kuya.
It's my mother.
So how about mommy?
She's the same as my mother.
Bibi makakita babae.
Matang.
Now, mommy,
Okay. Just kiss Tita Beth. You kiss Tita. Okay. I kiss also baby Rayo at the head. At the head.
Mapasong.
Okay. Baby Rayo, whose face is this? Who look like baby Rayo? Is it me or the father?
Ito or tita? Who?
answer it.
Sige na.
O mga nakasyo na, laban na kabibo. Ate, bibo kayo sila gawat sa naman.
Pitat.
Bisag si Ethan, si Ryan ang gipili. Ili ikaw.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Ethan, come here.
Hi, baby.
I want to ask again. Ha? Whose face
Who's that?
do baby Rayo look like? Is it me, Tita, or Tito, or Tito, or Tita?
The answer is... Mas disik ka. Madisik ka.
Ano ko daw lagi?
Good job. Alvin.
What is my contribution on this part? So,
What's
what's my contribution?
Nah, you just carry the baby.
Mom? Same as my eyebrow.
Ay, wag mo